Hey guys, Loves to Loom here. I don't have an original video coming out today. I've been really sick, but I just got this in the mail and wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys. I'm really excited about this. A big thank you to Rainbow Loom. This is the 2025 Loom Artist gift. I was one of the winners this year. Congratulations to all my fellow other winners as well. I will have the other winners' names down the box below. I don't know them off the top of my head. But yeah, I'm really excited to get this box, and I think it's really awesome that they do these boxes. It's really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what is inside. I did already peek. I'm really excited about what's in here. And by the way, I didn't have a lot of energy, so I just used my cutting mat as a background because I have really been out of it this week. All right, so this is my certificate for this year, which I love. I think it's really cute. So I will be hanging that with my other ones. And then I noticed this right off the get-go because I absolutely love these treasure boxes. This is the Sparkle Treasure Box, which is one of my faves. It has all the metallics in it and then the glitter green and clear. Oh, and the glitter purple's in there as well. We have another auto loom, which this is such a cutie. I love the little sticker that's on this one. Can never hurt to have too many of the auto looms. This is the Sweets Blue, Baby Blue, Sweets Baby Blue. These are one of my favorite kind of bands, and I also have a pink of the Sweets as well. This one's called Fairy Pastel Pink. I love these, especially for like hook-onlys. They're really nice. We have a clear, Solar Moon. I wasn't sure if these were solar or not. They are Solar Moon. And then we also have, I'm not sure what this one is called. I guess this one's just an assortment of a few different colors. They kind of look like they're solar bands to me, but it doesn't say that they are. So yeah. So we got 4 great packs of bands here. And then we got a Loomy Pal kit with little cute charms. I'm definitely going to have to do a video on some of these little kits here. I like these little charms. My niece would love this. I'm going to have to make her something with this. I've never seen this one before, so that's really cute. We have a bead emoji. And I think another bead emoji. Yes, another bead emoji right here. My niece, the younger ones I noticed really like these ones. So I'll definitely be making her some bracelets with these. And hopefully I will be feeling better soon and I can do like some little videos showcasing these little guys. But I know it was a quick little video. I just wanted to come on and show you guys the gift that I got from Rainbow Loom and to say a big thank you. And I appreciate all of you guys for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Ignore that beeping in the background. But that is it for today, you guys. I will see you really soon as I'm feeling better for a tutorial. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend. Bye.